Lettuce is a leafy vegetable, famous for giving salads their base. People often underestimate the nutritional value of lettuce. It's just as good for you as kale and spinach. And because you probably eat lettuce raw, you get most of its nutrients, as raw vegetables keep more nutrients than cooked ones. There are multiple types of lettuce. The health benefits of lettuce come primarily from its vitamin content. Health benefits vary depending on the type of lettuce a person eats. Iceberg lettuce is generally the lettuce type with the lowest amount of nutrients. Bone strength. Lettuce is a source of vitamin K, which helps strengthen bones and clot your blood. Consuming adequate amounts of vitamin K can also reduce your risk of bone fracture. Hydration. Water makes up over 95% of raw lettuce. As a result, eating lettuce hydrates the body. Although drinking liquids is necessary, water in foods can also significantly contribute to hydration. Improved vision. Lettuce is a source of vitamin A, which plays a role in eye health. Vitamin A can reduce a person's risk of cataracts. Vitamin A also helps prevent macular degeneration. Improve sleep. Extracts of multiple lettuce types have also been shown to promote sleep. Until further research is conducted, it's unknown if lettuce in its natural form can produce a similar effect. Aids in weight loss. Eating a side salad before your main course can help you feel fuller. As a result, you eat fewer calories during your meal. Almost all lettuces contain a significant amount of vitamin A, along with small amounts of vitamin C and iron. Things to watch out for. Generally, lettuce is safe for most people to eat. It isn't a common allergen. Because it's low in calories, there's not a big problem with eating too much lettuce. In recent years, however, there have been many instances of lettuce getting contaminated by E. coli. Sometimes lettuce, especially romaine, is recalled. These outbreaks are likely due to runoff from nearby animal farms that contaminates lettuce. Caution: overuse can result in a range of complications, can produce allergic reactions, and can interact with other medications. You should check with your healthcare provider.